In today's video, I'll teach you how to check BiliBili rewards and coins. First of all, launch open BiliBili application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. So if you want to check your rewards and coins, tap on the me icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, once you do that, you'll be led to your profile interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Simply scroll down. Now over here, you'll be able to find various options like pocket, campaign, settings, FAQs, feedback. Simply tap on this option pocket that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the pocket interface. In this interface, if you have any rewards, it will be displayed over here. In BiliBili, instead of coins, you'll be able to see the stars and beans. You can simply tap on the beans option in order to see your beans. Likewise, you can tap on the stars option in order to see the stars. So like this, you'll be able to see the BiliBili rewards and coins. So that is how you check BiliBili rewards and coins. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.